Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Sipping a nice refreshing cocktail on a patio is so relaxing. It can be a margarita, Long Island iced tea, Bellini, Mai Tai, Sangria, Pina Colada, Daiquiri, and so on. Another summer favorite is a mojito, but wait till you try this version. My Watermelon Mojito Cocktail. Incredibly tasty, this drink is a perfect one to enjoy on a hot summer day. So let's get mixing. In the jar of a blender, we'll add 4 cups of seedless watermelon and we'll process until the fruit is liquefied. Next, we'll strain the liquid through a fine sieve sitting over a large bowl or a large measuring cup, which is what I prefer. The reason why we're doing this step is although it's seedless, we want to make sure there are no little white seeds in it. They're safe to eat or drink, but I'm fussy, and I don't want these seed coats in the drink, so it's up to you to do this step or not. We'll pour the collected liquid into a pitcher and set aside. Now, in a glass of a Boston shaker, we'll add a few mint leaves. Then some simple syrup, and to make it from scratch, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Plus freshly squeezed lime juice. Using a muddler, we'll lightly crush the mint leaves before adding 4 large ice cubes. We'll place a metal tumbler on top, tap it down to secure it, and shake vigorously for 20 seconds. We'll now place a strainer on top and pour the mixture into the pitcher. To this, we'll add white rum and stir well. We'll pour the mix into 2 rock glasses or steamless wine glasses over ice cubes and garnish each with a lime wheel, a wedge of watermelon, and a sprig of mint. And my friends, this is our Watermelon Mojito Cocktail. Easy to make, this drink is very refreshing and so summery. It's a delicious twist on a classic. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredients, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!